Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Amazon Fire Stick remote to your TV so you can use the volume and then also change channels with it. And this is easy. Just on the Fire Stick, let's go all the way to the right to Settings, scroll on down and go to Equipment Control. Then under here, let's go to Manage Equipment, go to TV. Then scroll down to Change TV. And then go to Change TV. And it says with your TV connected to the Fire remote, you can turn on and off your TV and then control the volume. Now select the brand of the TV. So currently I am using a Fire TV, so I can scroll on down and see if that's listed under here. So here it is, Amazon Fire TV, and the most popular brands are listed on the top already. So I can go to this, and I just have to complete this small little process that they have for me. It says, sorry, Fire TV is currently having problems. So let's go ahead and go to try again. Now, after completing this, you should be able to use the volume options on your remote. And you can see on the screen, it's going up and down when I press it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.